how to fix the dark mode glitch on Instagram. Many users have encountered issues where Instagram doesn't switch to dark mode properly or reverse to light mode unexpectedly. Let's dive into some solutions to resolve this. First, let's start by checking the Instagram app settings. Open the Instagram app on your device and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now, make sure dark mode is turned on. Simply search for dark mode. I don't know, maybe my Instagram is not updated yet, so dark mode isn't showing. So simply toggle the option off and then back on can fix the glitch. If toggling the dark mode setting didn't work, the next step is to ensure your app is up to date. Go to the app store and make sure if there is update, click on it. If the issue persists, try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple reboot can clear your temporary bugs and glitches. So, if none of the previous steps work, you can try reinstalling the Instagram app. This can be a more drastic solution but often resolves persistent issues. And there you have it. Those are some effective methods to fix the dark mode glitch on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.